Hi guys, welcome everyone to one more video series in our live trading session. Now in this video series we analyze specific levels to target for the whole week coming in. So let's look at Bitcoin's price action today. Now I did not want to make this video because I'm very busy with other things. We are going to launch one more channel tomorrow for our Indian viewers that will teach them about financial planning and stock market trading and options trading. So we were quite busy with that, but since I had promised you that I will come up with one more video, so yeah, here is one more video. I mean, let's start. We should not be shy to make analysis, guys, even if it is going wrong, because believe me, no one knows what is going to happen. So if anyone is telling you that they knew that this is going to happen, it's completely a lie. Okay. So your job is to make analysis, and the job of the market is to do what it needs to do. So as the market shows you new data, you can calculate and modify your analysis. Okay. Now you can see that currently that we are in this parallel channel. You can see there is some nice rejection levels from the top. I was expecting this top of the channel to go a little bit higher over here and then reject, a fake out like this. But sadly, this did not happen, and market went down quite obviously very fast, so it is not healthy again. So you can see that this channel has given support one time here, one time here. So I believe that this line since which is running since 19th of June has been a good line for people to for Bitcoin to find support over here. Now all the charts that I had posted on Twitter was relying on the fact that this would be the first point of support for Bitcoin. As you can see that this entire zone has been working as a very good support for Bitcoin, yeah, coming down. And you can see that the point of control for the whole impulse wave down, if I want to calculate, was here. So this was our first support over here, which broke quite easily. You can see just falling over. I thought that in the middle of the channel it will get some support, and when it puts in a lower low, it will create some bearish divergence, and we'll go from there. Like you can see that the bearish divergence, the bullish divergence, sorry, the bullish divergence fizzled out quite fast because the drop was very fast. Okay. And you can see that if you want to analyze the point of control for this wave, which just went up, and if you want to just calculate the point of control, it is same over here. Okay, so this will be your local POC, and you can just mark this for your own benefit. Just mark up all your charts because it is going to be very important in the coming days going forward. Okay, because without the marking, when the drop happens so fast, you wouldn't know what to do. You'll be completely left confused, right? So this was the first zone that we were looking at. We were looking for Bitcoin to find some support, and then after this zone, this is the whole zone which is coming in, because you can see that this whole zone was acting as a resistance before, and once market went up, here you can see a very good swing failure pattern trade, and market went up from here. So now it is coming back and testing this whole area over here. Just drop it down a little bit. This is the whole zone, and you can see that the parallel channel over here is that. Now three things can happen. We can break down from this parallel channel, retest it back, and continue to go down. If we do that, then this will be the first layer to look at, because you can see this huge wick which is over here. So if market makers want, they can target this wick. There'll be a lot of liquidity down over there, and after this zone, this is the zone which there is a lot of liquidity left. Okay. However, I don't think markets will come down in a straight line. It never does. If you are thinking that market will come down in a straight line, you'll be sadly mistaken. Don't take these examples, because this time the macroeconomics was quite different than it is now. So you can see that any pump down is always retraced at least half, and then it proceeds down. If you go further and see the price action during April, when it came down quite vigorously, it also pumped a little bit over here. So yeah, That is our hope. And the macroeconomics chart, I think I'll come up with that video today only, tonight only. After this video it should follow up. Watch that video. There are given targets for my macro charts, analyzing all the major indices over there. So if as per that chart, I still think that Bitcoin needs to go up. This drop which happened was not expected, and mostly if they wanted to liquidate a lot of traders before they want to move up. So yeah, so this will be one scenario. We can keep going down more till here, but once it comes down, test this level, breaks the parallel channel again, then we can talk about more downside. But currently, when you are in support, you should not talk about 10k, 2k, 10k, 3k Bitcoin over here, because nothing says so. Okay, so we'll take level by level. Don't get over bearish when the market is falling. Remember, whenever the market is falling, it is the best time to buy. Yeah. So having said that, let's see that here we are getting some support. Yeah. Now, if you want to see from the Elliott wave perspective, if you take this as your A wave, then we should have a B wave. You can see that there is no B wave over here, and then maybe we can expect a C wave. Yeah. If we just delete the parallel channel now and just look at pure price action, then you can see that this has to retrace over here. Okay. Now this is a 4-hour time frame, so remember, higher time frame analysis. Now I think that Bitcoin will at least retrace till here, because this is the resistance level from which it fell. So I think at least it will go tap this level and come down. Now, for this to happen, this A wave which has come down needs to form a corrective pattern. So we can go and have a look on shorter time frames. Let's drop to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see that now we are getting some support, and till some consolidation happens, guys, there is no certainty that you know you don't go and long over here, because here was the first time when you were longing. Here was the first time also, but after these zones break so fast, don't just keep longing every time when Bitcoin is coming down, because that makes no sense. You need to give time for price action to consolidate. Like here it was consolidating, so taking a chance here made sense. Okay, but taking a chance in any of this area does not make sense. We tried longing this zone yesterday night, and I had kept a very tight stop loss because I was not sure of this trade. So I got out of the trade, and now I'm waiting for Bitcoin to make at least or show some divergences over here. So on lower time frames, I'm waiting to see, and if you go on 15 minutes time frame, I'm waiting to see something like this happening for Bitcoin over here, at least coming down again. You can see it is getting rejected from this line over here, and I hope that it will go test this line and then come and put in a lower low over here, and then probably you can take a trade from this swing failure. Yeah, when this happens and you go on higher time frame, you can see on 4 hours time frame also you would get a nice bullish divergence happening. Yeah, so that is what I want to see on Bitcoin happening. Now, RSI wise, guys, you can see RSI on the 4 hours is now picking up quite well. So if the price drops down, okay, puts in a lower low, then you can see the price would have formed in a you know lower low, and I would expect RSI to do something like this. Yeah, higher lows. So once we get something like this on the 4 hours or 2 hours or above, this will be a nice confirmation that on lower time frames, if you see, the retrace would have got completed. Because let me explain you this in a very simple way. So yeah, if I think that this is my A wave and I'm looking for a B wave followed by a C wave, so inside this A wave I would like to see a small corrective pattern forming, which may be this, and then on the basis of this corrective pattern, the A wave will get completed and then it can go up. Okay, but we can also push till here and then make a lower low. There is no guarantee till market shows you. You have to be prepared for all kind of scenarios. So, but a corrective pattern has to form for reversal to happen. That is the most healthy way of going up. Okay, or else every push up will be diminished and we start going down more and more. So yeah, Once we get a lower low, I will wait for this setup to come down, and I will see some divergence forming on 4 hours or 2 hours and going up. And then once we claim back these levels, I will try to target these zones on top. Okay, so this is my scenario for Bitcoin, guys, and I hope that made it quite clear. Now, going into the week, we are going to test the zones over here. Now, there is no certainty that we'll reach over here, that the market will decide on the basis of fear and greed which people show, but anything can happen. And when we get a push up, try to look for bearish divergences and bearish absorptions, and see how the market is behaving, and on the basis of that you can target. Okay, so this is our Bitcoin analysis. So remember, in the 4 hours time frame, keep an eye for the price action to behave, and your job is to make a trade plan and take the trades as and when they come to you. Do not get scared with the market, because you getting scared for the in the market is not going to help you at all. Okay, so see the price action and take the trades, because if you don't take trades and the market starts going up, then you will start FOMOing in, and given that you're leverage trading, you will get liquidated very fast. But if you want to find out for the spot investing or something, then this would be a very good zone to long. So you can keep a tight stop loss of 5% or something over here, and then you can try to target these upper areas over here. So this will be a very good trade. Now, for other altcoins, it is just you just follow Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is doing, and then depending on that, whenever Bitcoin reverses or puts a reversal pattern, you can take a trade on the basis of it. Okay, if you want to know the proper levels of altcoin, you can join our Discord group. I'll keep updating the alt charts over there. Quite regularly I update, and I've posted some good charts over there. So if you have not joined our Discord group, please do join. As in when Bitcoin gives some corrective pattern, I will post in the Discord group to keep you updated. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and happy trading. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.